Now for number 6, we have a secret Apple smart home accessory with the codename J229. Now this device has multiple sensors and it can capture images, so it has a built-in camera. He says this is an accessory, not a standalone device, so he pinpoints this as a brand new Apple smart doorbell device. So you can imagine this to be sort of like a Ring doorbell, but Apple's own device, which means perfect integration within the Apple ecosystem and Apple Home. Just imagine your doorbell footage showing up on your HomePod with various settings or different layouts. This is really cool.